I got something for you. Life works in the same way. What comes out of you, clean your heart. Fill it with patience, love, and faith. And what comes out will be good, pure, and beautiful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I got something for you. Imagine an orange and you squeeze it as hard as you can. And what comes out? Orange juice. Never apple juice, never grapefruit juice, only orange juice, because that's what's inside. Life works in the same way. What comes out of you, your anger, your fear, your patience, your kindness, reflects what's inside your heart. The final prophet of Allah, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, has stated, truly, in the body, there's a piece of flesh. If it is sound, the whole body is sound. And if it is corrupt, the whole body is corrupt. Truly, it is the heart. If bitterness, hatred, or anxiety comes out, look within. It doesn't start with the person who hurt you. It starts with the heart. You have the power to change what flows out. Clean your heart. Fill it with patience, love, and faith. And what comes out will be good, pure, and beautiful. So I got something for you. You cannot control everything that happens to you, but you can control what comes out of you. Change the inside, and the outside will follow.